Okay, pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ang about sa perpendicular lines. Okay? So, perpendicular and parallel lines. Mag-start tayo sa parallel lines. So, we have a theorem for parallel lines. Sinasabi dyan na if you have line 1 and line 2, be the two non-vertical, meaning hindi sila vertical lines with slopes M1 and M2. Okay? So yung slope ng line 1 is M1 and yung slope ng L2 M2. Okay? So yan yung dalawa. The lines L1 and L2 are said to be parallel. Okay? It is said to be parallel if and only if their slopes are equal. Sa madaling sabi, if our M1 has a slope 1 and our M2 has a slope 2, masasabi natin na yung line 1 is parallel, so ito yung symbol natin for parallel, to line 2 if and only if yung slope ng M1 is equal sa slope ng line 2. Okay? So, try natin sa example na to. Using slopes, verify that the points 1 and 4, okay, ito yan yung 1 and 4. Sige, erasein natin para ulitin natin. Okay, so ito yung example natin. So using slopes, verify that the points 1 and 4, 7, 0, 5 and negative 3, and negative 1 and 1 are vertices of a parallelogram. So, ang first na gagawin natin, syempre, is to create or draw those points. So, gawa muna tayo ng Cartesian coordinate plane. Ayan. I-draw muna natin yung apat na points na yan. Start tayo sa 1 and 4. 1 and 4. So, positive from 0. 0 yung origin. Unahin natin yung x at 1. And then yung y is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nandito yung point na yan. Nandyan yung point na yan. This point is our P1 with coordinates at 1 and 4. Na ito naman, isa, 7 and 0. So, 7, positive 7 yung x. So, from 0, bibilang tayo ng 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ito. So, 0 na yan, kaya dyan na rin mismo. Okay, ito naman, 5 and negative 3. Positive 5 yung x. So, bibilang tayo ng 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 3 is going down. Pag y, di ba? Ang y natin is negative. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 3 pababa. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So, nandito yung point na yan. And then, negative 1 and positive 1. Okay, ang negative 1 natin is papunta rito. So, negative 1, positive 1 pataas. So, nandito sa part na yan ang point. So, ang gawin natin is, i-connect na natin yung apat na yan. Connect muna natin. Ito. Ayan, yan yung isa. Then, another line. Ito naman yung isa. Another line. Punta naman doon. And then, last line. Galing rito. Punta naman dito. Okay. So, ayan. As you can see, yes, it is a quadrilateral with 4 sides. So, pero di natin alam kung ano yan. So, ito, anong point to? We assign this as our point 2 with coordinates 7 and 0. Tapos ito naman yung point 3 with coordinates at 5 and negative 3 And this is our point 4 with coordinates point 4 with coordinates 1 and negative 1. Okay? So, ito na yung apat. Yung apat na, ano natin, apat na lines. Okay. So, itong isa na to, itong nandito sa taas, i-assign natin siya as our line 1. Ito naman yung line 2 natin. Itong patayo dyan, our line 3. And itong patayo rito, yung dalawang maikli, line 3 and line 4. Okay. So, i-prove muna natin, let's verify that line 1 is parallel to line 2. Paano natin masasabi? If M1 is equal to M2. So, kunin muna natin yung slope ng line 1. Okay? So, kung ito yung point 1 natin, i-assign natin to as x sub 1, y sub 1. Di ba ito yung line 1? Ito yung dalawang points. Ito naman is our x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay? Kunin natin yung slope. Sabi natin, the slope M for line 1 muna. The slope M1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. This is now equal to, what is our y sub 2? Y sub 2 is 0 minus y sub 1 is 4. Ayan o, 4 over x sub 2. X sub 2 is 7 minus y sub 1 is 1. Okay? So, sagutan natin. Our M1 is equal to 0 minus 4 is negative 4 over 7 minus 1 is 6. So, ang lowest term nito is negative 2 over 3. Ang lowest term ng negative 4 over 6 is negative 2 over 3. Kasi, if we will divide this by 2, that is equal to 2. If we will divide this by 6, that is equal to 3. Okay. So, ito yung slope ng 1 natin. So, this is equal to negative 2 over 3. Now, para ma-prove natin na itong dalawa, ito and ito are parallel, dapat yung L2 natin is also equal to negative 2 over 3. Okay? Dapat yung L2, this L2 is also equal to negative 2 over 3. Ulit. Equal negative 2 over 3. Saglit lang. Okay. I-solve naman natin yung L2 natin. Okay? Let's solve for L2. Kailangan na mapalabas natin negative 2 over 3. Okay. So, for L2 naman, same process. For L2, kunin natin yung M2. Siyempre, same formula. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, ano na yung dalawang point na nagko-compose sa L2? Di ba itong point na to and yung point natin dito? Ano yung coordinates niyan? 5 and negative 3. Pwedeng ito yung i-assign natin as our x sub 1, y sub 1. Tapos ito naman yung ating x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay, kung papansinin nyo, ang y sub 2 natin is negative 1. Okay, minus. Ano yung y sub 1? Ang y sub 1 is 5. Ito, negative 3. Negative 3 over x sub 2 is positive 1. Okay, positive 1 minus x sub 1 of 5. So, our M2 is equal to, so gumamit tayo ng calculator para madali. So, negative 1 minus negative 3. Solve muna natin yan nasa taas. That is equal to 2. Positive 2. So, positive 2 over 1 minus 5 is negative. Okay, wait lang. Okay, kaya pala mali. Kasi dapat negative 1 and 1, hindi 1 and 1. 1 and negative 1. So, ang y sub 2 natin is positive 1. So, positive 1 to. This is positive 1 minus negative 3. Tapos, ang x sub 2 natin, okay, ito ang negative. Negative 1 minus 5. Okay, so gamitin ulit yung calculator. So, positive to. Alisin natin yung negative. Equal. So, positive 4. Mali yan. This is positive 4 over negative 1 minus 5 equals negative 6. So, di ba pareha sila negative 4 over 6? Or simply, that is negative 2 over 3. So, therefore, yung slope ng L2 is also negative 2 over 3. Which is correct. Na-prove natin na itong dalawa are parallel. Okay, how about L3 and L4? Sagutan naman natin for L3. So, same process. M is equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 is equal to. So, ang L3 natin is ito. So, ang dalawang coordinates natin is itong dalawa. So, ito yung kukunan natin. So, ang y sub 2 natin is 0, y sub 1 is negative 3. So, 0 minus negative 3. So, yun yung y sub 1 kasi. Kasi y sub 2 is 0 minus y sub 1 na negative 3 over x sub 2. Ang x sub 2 is positive 7. Ang x sub 1 is positive 5. So, 7 minus 5. Okay? So, m is now equal to 0, negative times negative will become positive 3 over 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, so ito yung slope pala ng L3 natin. So this is 3 over 2. Now, para ma-prove natin na parallel yung dalawa, dapat L4 is also 3 over 2. So yung L4 naman ang isolve natin. For L4. So slope ng 4 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Ito naman yung dalawa. Okay? Ang y sub 2 is 1, x sub 1 is 4. So, magiging 1 minus 4 over x sub 2. X sub 2 is negative 1. X sub 1 is positive 1. So, magiging negative 1 minus 1. Or ito is negative 3. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. Or simply, positive 3 over 2. So, parehas sila ng slope yung M4, which is also 3 over 2. Kaya, masasabi natin that L3 is also parallel to L4. Okay, nasundan? So, yan ang sa theorem natin about parallel lines.